Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you this easy, simple spring summer makeup. I'm going to be showing you how to cover acne or redness at the same time, not having it be too full coverage and too much, and more easy and simple and quick. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe and let's just get started. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Prime Focus Primer Serum. So why do I do this? So for my my face makeup, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. This under my eyes, put a dot under there, a little bit more than a dot, but you know. And then some on any acne spots. The e.l.f. Camo Concealer Sponge. Having a little bit of, like, you kind of see my cheeks. It's not full coverage. It's not really covering everything perfectly, but it still covered the acne. So I'm going to do powder. I'm going to mix these two. I have these Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage powder foundation. I'm going to use my L'Oreal True Match powder in C1, and I'm going to blend out my under eye creases. And just put it under my eyes. And I'm gonna set my acne. And then later I'll open this back up and do my whole face. So I'm going to do my bronzer now. I made sure to set this area so that it goes on nice and smooth. I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This one's in the color bronzer. And I'm going to just bronze up my cheeks a little bit where I would contour. I'm going to contour my face a little bit. You can skip this. I'm just going to use my Physicians Formula Bronze Booster, and I love this middle color. It's a really nice cool toned contour color. So I'm just going to take that and chisel out my cheeks. And I'm going to use my LA Colors Sweet Cheeks blush, and I just like this one because it adds a really nice pink flush to your cheeks. And then I'm gonna use my e.l.f. illuminating palette, and this color right here. I love this color so much. It is beautiful. It's such a great highlight for if you have more fair skin. And this is just going to give you a really pretty subtle glow. And then I'm going to do for my eyes, my eyebrows, I'm going to use this Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel. This is a really subtle, nice, like fill-in for your brows without it being too harsh. So I love it. Going to use just my bronzers with a little crease brush. I'm gonna put the bronzer in the crease so there's a little bit of color there. Kind of use it as eyeshadow. I'm gonna take some of my highlight on the brow bone and in the inner corner of the eye. And then I'm gonna open up my eyes some more with the Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade. I'm going to curl my lashes and use my Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. Long name. I'm just going to put some on until my lashes basically look pretty and then stop, so I don't go overboard. And then for my lips, my perfect nude is the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Creme Brulee. That's just a basic lip gloss with color to it, and it looks amazing on my lips. So this is the completed quick, easy makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!